In the 20th century, modern theoretical physics hit an impenetrable wall. For decades, science taught us that atoms were the smallest, most fundamental building block of reality, tiny hard sphere of matter. But when particle accelerator peered deeper into the quantum realm, the paradigm shattered completely. Scientists discovered that at the absolute micro level, there are no solid particles. There are no tiny rock or marble. Instead, what they found were microscopic vibrating loops and filament of pure energy. This framework is known to the highest scientific minds as string theory. Think of it like a guitar string. When you pluck that string, depending on the tension and frequency, it produces a distinct musical note. In exactly the same manner, these fundamental quantum strings vibrate at a different frequency. Pluck a string one way, and it manifests as an electron. Pluck it another way, and it manifests a quark or a photon. The entire material universe, every star, every planet, your physical body, the air you are breathing right now is fundamentally just a song. It is a symphony of vibrating loop of energy. Modern astrophysics and quantum mechanics are only now decoding the mathematical equation of the cosmic vibration. But let me ask you an unparalleled question. If science just discovered that the universe is made of music and frequency, who wrote the melody and where did the ultimate frequency originate? The ancient Vedic root, the sound of creation. To find the answer, we must leap backward in time by 5,000 years, far away from the large hard-on corridor deep within the ancient forest of an Indian subcontinent. Enlightened seers and rishis sat in profound, elevated state of consciousness. They did not possess particle accelerator or supercomputer. Instead, they calibrated their own consciousness directly to the fabric of the universe. The ancient sages documented their realizations in the sacred text, explicitly stating that the ultimate reality is not material, but vibrational. The Mandukaya Upanishads boldly declared that the entire universe, past, present, and future, is nothing about the syllabus Om. It is not merely a religious prayer or a random vocalization. It is the primordial, uncaged frequency of the cosmos. In the Vedic science, this is known as a Vak or divine sound. Sanatan Dharma established sound of your ego. That Shabda, sound, precedes Rupa, form. Before physical matter can manifest in the three-dimensional matrix, it must first exist as a vibrational frequency. Modern cymatics, the science of visible sound, proved that when sound frequencies pass through a medium, they naturally form highly complex, perfect geometric pattern. The rishis mapped this out with flawless precision. When you chant Om, you are not just making a sound, you are synchronizing your biological hardware with the fundamental source code of reality. You are literally turning your internal string to the exact same frequency that birthed the galaxy. Now let us move past mere theory and enter the realm of direction application. This is where your life shifts. You do not manifest your desire by simply waiting them. You cannot collapse the quantum field of reality from a state of lack, desperation of low frequency. In the quantum universe, like attract, like based strictly on resonance, you manifest by becoming a quantum resonator. Listen closely and execute this process right now. Step 1. Frequency tuning. Close your eyes, stop visualizing the static physical result of your goal. Instead, tap into the invisible frequency of that reality. If your goal is ultimate success, supreme wealth, or a monumental breakthrough, what does that specific reality feel like in your chest? Feel the energetic vibration expanding in your heart center. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, slowly vocalize the sound. Do not focus on the external audio. Focus completely on the intense physical vibration traveling from your throat to absolute center of your skull. Feel the resonant frequency vibrating every single cell in your body, dissolving the artificial barrier between your physical shell and the infinite quantum field. Step 3. The resonant collapse. While maintaining this internal mental hum, hold the highly charged vision of your intended reality. You are no longer an outside observer begging the universe for a favor. You are the source. You are explicitly commanding your internal biological strings to lock into this new default frequency. Emit this wave and watch the matrix collapse into your desired physical manifestation. If the fundamental nature of the universe is just vibrating string of energy and endless musical symphony, then why does the world around us feel so dense, so heavy, and so permanent? Why are we trapped in the illusion of a solid physical reality? If we are pure waves of light and frequency, why do we experience pain, limitation, and time, the highest mind in quantum physics are arriving at uncomfortable conclusion that completely mirror the ancient Vedic concept of Maya, the ground cosmic illusion. In our next episode, we are going to tear apart the wheel of solid matter. We will look through the lens of modern atomic structure to uncover why your reality is 99.9% empty space, and how ancient text programmed codes to transcend this cosmic illusion.